In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set up a YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File and click New. Set the units to pixels. Set the width to 1280 and the height to 720. Set the resolution to 72. Make sure the color mode is RGB. Once everything is set, click Create. Your YouTube thumbnail template is now ready in Photoshop. Alternatively, if you have the latest version of Photoshop, you can do this in just one click. Simply click New File, then go to the Film and Video tab and select this template. Next, click Create. That is the YouTube thumbnail standard size. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.